On May 5th, Montpellier unleashed a terrifying preview. A giant river of superheated mud, a lahar, surged down the mountainside, engulfing a sugarcane factory and killing 30 workers before plunging into the sea, causing a small tsunami that washed over Saint-Pierre. Bizarrely, some saw this as the volcano's final act, a catharsis. Surely now, things would return to normal. But a darker force was at play. With local elections looming, Governor Louis Moutet was desperate to keep his voting base in town. He needed Saint-Pierre to appear calm, safe. When news arrived on May 6th of a devastating eruption on the neighboring island of St. Vincent, killing 1,500 people, panic finally erupted in Saint-Pierre. A mass exodus began. The governor's response? Not evacuation, but troops. Roadblocks were set up, forcing terrified residents back into the doomed city. To further quell their fears, on the evening of May 7th, the governor and his family moved into Saint-Pierre, a chilling act of false bravado, leading by example straight into the jaws of death. Meanwhile, Montpellier was preparing its final, furious roar. Enormous black clouds billowed from its summit, pierced by arcs of lightning. Ash covered everything, and red-hot magma glowed at the crater rim, turning an entire side of the mountain into a fiery beacon. Then, on the morning of May 8th, at precisely 7:52 a.m., the world ended for Saint-Pierre. Montpellier exploded. There was no warning. An eyewitness on a ship offshore described it. The side of the volcano was ripped out and hurled towards us, a solid wall of flame. The wave of fire was on us like a lightning flash, a hurricane of fire, which rolled straight down on Saint-Pierre and the ships. The town vanished before our eyes. It was a pyroclastic flow, a burning cloud of white-hot particles, superheated steam, and poisonous gas, traveling at 100 meters per second, with temperatures reaching 1,000 degrees Celsius.